I, James Opiyo Wandayi.
Opiyo Wandayi uria kwa ihinda riri utiganirie giturwa kia mutongoria wa ANINI mbunge-ini oetereire kuhitukio kana agũithio ni mbunge giturwa-ini kiria endekithirio kia minista wa hinya uria tuhuthagira akinyite mbere ya kamiti ya wamurani na iraoni igiri gia gukorwo aumite mwena wa mng'ethaniro ona utungata mbunge-ini. Mbere ya Wandayi hangĩiyũkio ta minista wa hinya uria tuhuthagira ni mathina kihiri wa mbere gũtuithania mathina ma thitima kũra ihinda iraya ungumania sekta-ini ino na mathogora ma igũrũ ma thitima. Wandayi arauga hangĩiyũkio ta minista kurumirira watho wa mwaka wa 2019 gutigira KPLC ndirahatikwo thoko-ini ya bũrũri-inĩ kambuni KIUMBE iria ciendagia thitima na thogora wa igũrũ, ũndũ ũrĩa ekuhoya ũtarani kuma kũrĩ mũnene wa watho mecirie kana marũa ma imwe cia kambuni ici nĩ mabatie kũrorwo kerĩ.
Can we get that assurance from you that you can bite the bullet, relook at many of those contracts, of course, within the law, that were procured corruptly to the great detriment of the people of Kenya?
Persons who have been given licenses, what we call geothermal concessions, and they are holding those licenses, which are public assets in my view, whilst KenGen, which is a publicly owned entity, at least 70%, has the capacity, the expertise, the resources, is not able to get access to those sites to be able to generate for us energy. So that I will have to deal with. But I will have to deal with them by way of first engaging with the Attorney General.
Ihinda rĩrĩa rĩhũthĩkaga ũtambi-inĩ wa thitima no ũndũ ũngĩ ũmbanĩirwo na makĩria kũhe ũtheri icagi-inĩ. Rĩu Wandayi akiuga RERE kĩbatie kũruta wĩra o nginyagia kũgathĩka mita nayo KPLC ĩkoerera ũngani-inĩ wa marĩhi.
When Jubilee came into power in 2013, they marketed the last mile connectivity very, very well. In fact, citizens were of the opinion that they would all be connected within like a month or so. And so that has brought a lot of pressure on members of parliament, because whenever people are not connected, they have this belief that the member of parliament is seeking to only power some areas in their constituencies and not others.
In my view, this state of affairs is not tenable. We must make a decision, and I'll be coming back to Parliament. Okay? We must make a decision as to whether to empower REREC fully, to be able to be in charge of this street lighting, up to including payment of bills. But more importantly, if we can now move away from the grid, national grid, and establish solar street lights.
Kĩũria gĩa kana kĩama kĩa ODM kĩiyũkirie mĩeke ĩno kũgerera njĩra cia thutha ona gũtirika mbeũ njĩthĩ no kĩyumĩrĩtie, ĩndĩ Wandayi arauga we ndahoire wĩra na nĩamakire mũno aiyũkio nĩ president.
What can you tell those Kenyans that believe that you took advantage of the young Kenyan demonstrators, some of whom who died while they were demonstrating, so that you could negotiate your way into government?
I never applied to join the executive, but I was pleasantly surprised and felt greatly honored that my name was recommended. We are basically coming on board in a paradigm shift. I'm very pleased that the president has actually declared that we have to adopt a paradigm shift in the management of government and state affairs. And I'm most privileged if I'm approved.
In our country.
In our country.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. We are living in different times. Yes, so we must also think differently.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo augĩte nĩegũthingata ũigĩrĩrĩki wa EPRA nĩguo mĩtuthũko ya gas ona wendia wayo ũrũmĩrĩre watho ũgitĩri wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie ona andũ.
This process up to now and can only look forward to your favorable consideration when you retreat to do your report, Honorable Speaker.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndũng'ũ.
You can plead.